Green beans, breakfast of champions. Hey guys, Thursday, October 6th, we are in Manitowoc, Wisconsin. I think that's how you say it. We just loaded up at Lakeside Foods, and we are taking a truckload of great value green beans to Walmart at to the Ochelata DC in Ochelata, Oklahoma. Load doesn't deliver till Saturday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so more than enough time on the load. So we're going to get down the road, see how far we can get today, go home, and then we'll get up at lunchtime, or we'll leave the house at lunchtime. We'll get up before then, but we will leave around lunchtime Saturday, run over and deliver this, and turn around and run back home. Being a Saturday delivery, there was no issues on the rate. They were willing to just pay it. Which is always nice, because you don't have to deal with trying to get somebody to deliver a load to a Walmart on Saturday. You would have trouble getting me to deliver it on Saturday. Except for the fact that it's right close to my house. So I'm not going to be stranded for the weekend. But we were scheduled to load at 3 o'clock this afternoon. We rolled in here just after 1 o'clock and rolled into the wrong dock first. There's 3 entrances into this place, and the one that looked the least likely to be the place I would be turned out to be the place. So they got me sent to the right docks and got me loaded within an hour. And early at that, so no complaints. Now we just got to hope it all goes smooth at Walmart, which it should. It looks like all one product, just a bunch of green beans. I think it was all green beans anyway. But we're going to get rolling with this, get out of town, and we'll check back in with you here a little bit later. Welcome back, everybody. It has been about 4 hours since we got loaded. Close to 4 hours. 3 hours and 45 minutes, something like that. We spent about 45 minutes stop and go traffic in the Milwaukee area. That was fun. Got to spend a little bit of time arguing with XPO. That's the broker that I got this load from. I had entered all my information in on the app for my dispatch information, name, phone number, truck and trailer, all the same stuff you do if you're within 24 hours of pickup. And clicked the button on the app, en route to pickup, started live tracking. Confirmed my arrival when I got there, and confirmed my departure. And a couple hours later, they tried to call me, and they had a real bad signal, so couldn't understand. Call disconnected, and whoever called me immediately emailed me and informed me that I'm not going to be responsive, that they will remove me from the load, and I needed to submit the following information to them immediately, which was when my truck was going to be empty, my empty location, my ETA to the shipper, and then all the dispatch information that I had already put in the app. Mind you, I've already loaded the load, entered all the information, let them know on the app that I'd arrived, let them know that I departed, just like you're supposed to do it. And they're demanding to know my empty location and when I'm going to be to the shipper, or they're going to remove me from the load that I already have loaded on the back of my trailer. So I call the broker, and we had some quick words. And I asked them if I needed to return this load to the shipper, and would let them know what kind of rate it was going to cost them for me to turn around and take it back. Well, what do you want to do that for? I said, well, one of your minions is emailing me threatening to remove me from the load. So if I'm being removed from the load, I obviously need to take it back to where I got it from. And then they all wanted to know what, they went and checked the emails, and all that should not have happened. And then they tried to make excuses. Well, if we don't talk to you on the phone, we don't know that you are, we can't dispatch you on the load. I'm like, no, that's not true. I said, everything happens via the app now. I said, you need to educate your minions in the office on how to use this information that's being automated and fed to them, that is supposed to prevent them from having to call me, and is definitely supposed to prevent them from sending me these threatening emails. They apologized and told me they were inputting my arrival and departure times real quick, even though they didn't ask me the times. They knew it was all done. It was just somebody that failed to check a system and then wanted to threaten me for some stupid reason. But anyway, that's all over and behind me. They said that I shouldn't need to hear from them until I show up to unload my load, at which point they're not going to hear from me then either, because I'll do everything on the app. But we've got a decent way down the road today, considering the traffic backup we got into. We lost quite a bit of time there. We just passed Rochelle, Illinois. We're going down here to a rest area. Going to park there and call it a night. We are 600 miles away from home now, so we'll be slightly under that by the time we get up here to this rest area. Won't have any problem making it home from there. Did a live feed again today, so go back and search for that. From Manitowoc to Milwaukee is how it's titled. And I failed to mute the live feed when I spoke with the people at XPO, so everybody got to hear that conversation. And I guess it's good that they do, because brokers shouldn't be calling doing crap like that. Probably be home about mid-afternoon tomorrow. Still looking around to see what kind of loads I'm going to do. I thought about trying to find a load Saturday afternoon once I get unloaded in Oklahoma, but don't think that's going to happen. So imagine I'll just stick with my plan of heading home and then finding something, well, maybe Sunday or most likely Monday. Kind of look and start seeing what's available. When I get parked, I'll take a quick glance at the loads on the load boards, and then I'll look a little bit closer tomorrow throughout the day. Get in touch with the broker in Missouri and see if they've got anything they need to put me on before I go find regular loads. Maybe I'll get another load of hunting blinds. Never complain about those. Well, with that said, we're going to get on up here to this rest area, and we will check back in with you either when we're taking off in the morning or somewhere down the road tomorrow morning. Talk to you then. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Saturday, October 8th. We just delivered a little while ago at the Walmart Distribution Center in Ochelata, Oklahoma. We had a 3 o'clock appointment. We got there about 10 after 2, and we rolled out of there about 4:30, 4:45 or so by the time we got our bills. So between an hour and a half and 2 hours after our appointment time, we were done. Can't complain about that for a Walmart. We have made it back through Tulsa now and getting close to the turnpike. We're nearing like Pryor, Oklahoma. Probably about an hour away from home. Anyway, we're going to close this out, close this load out, close this video out. And we should be coming back with you on another one for our next load. Probably get out of the house Monday, could be Tuesday. I may try to do a couple short videos still over the weekend regarding a couple other topics. So just check the channel every once in a while, keep the notifications on, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and please give this video a like. Thanks for watching.